Children, you are the future nation. I'm going to tell you a story. I hope you love the story. The story I'm going to tell you is about a monkey and a rabbit who were very good friends. The monkey and the rabbit visited each other every time. And if the monkey had hunted, he would give a share to the rabbit. And the rabbit did that again. One day, the two friends were very, very bored. They decided to take a walk in the jungle. As they were taking the walk, they talked to each other, many stories and many legends. Then the monkey asked the rabbit, because the jungle was full of wild animals, some of them were vicious to monkeys and rabbits, like the wild dogs. So the monkey asked the rabbit, Mr. Rabbit, my friend, what would you do if we're attacked by the dogs? And the rabbit answered, said, yeah, man, I've got many tricks. I will actually do one of my tricks. And the monkey was so worried because he didn't have many tricks. He had only one trick. And the monkey was so worried and said, my friend, I've got only one trick. I don't know what I would do if the dogs came and attacked us. They went on the journey. They even forgot that there were wild dogs in the jungle. They went on, and the dogs appeared. They came, they were vicious, they were barking, they were fearful. The monkey and the rabbit started running. They ran so fast. But the dogs never got tired. They were after them. And the monkey was actually feeling tired. And the monkey saw a tree, a big tree with branches. The monkey decided to use his trick, one trick. He climbed on the tree, and the dogs really followed the rabbit. And the rabbit, who had said that he had many tricks, was so fearful of the dogs, and they were chasing him. They chased him, and the monkey friend on top of the tree shouted to the friend rabbit, Rabbit, my friend, you said you had many tricks. The dogs are here. Please use just one of your tricks. And the rabbit could not use any of his tricks. And the dogs were here. He became tired, and the dogs came and actually tore the rabbit skin and actually ate the rabbit. And that was the end of the rabbit. And the monkey was so sad, very sad, because his friend was torn by the dogs. So the monkey stayed without a friend. So the moral value of the story, I'll tell you only one moral value of the story. It is that when you talk with friends or with other people, you must tell the truth. So Mr. Rabbit did not tell the truth because he said he had many tricks which would have saved him when he was chased by the dogs. But he couldn't, because he did not even have one trick at all. So Mr. Monkey was safe because he spoke the truth. He told Mr. Rabbit that he had only one trick which he used by climbing the tree. That's the end of the story. So please assess the story. When you are at home, tell it to your parents, your friends, your brothers, your sisters, and actually look at the good moral value of the story. That's the end of the story. Sanibona bangani abancane. Nina ni inhlwanyelo enhle yase South Africa. Ngizonixoxela inganekwane ngendaba kaNogwaja nenkawu ababengabangani. NguGogo Dorcas Mkhize igama lami. Kwakukhona inkawu kanye noNogwaja babengabangani lapha. Babehlala ndawonye ukuthi nabezingela baphane inyamazana bayizingelile. Babehlala nje endaweni yezilwane eziningi, zazikhona nezinye izilwane. Izilwane kakhulu ezaziyizitha zabo kwakuyizinja nezimpunushe ngoba zazibadla. Ngenye ilanga labangani ababili bahlala nje sebedlile inyamazane sebesuthi bathi ayi ake sihambele nje sibone izwe ukuthi linjani. Nempela bahamba. Besahamba inkawu yasuke yabuza uNogwaja. Yathi wemngani wami Nogwaja awungitshela naqhamuka izinja la singenze njani? Hayi athi uNogwaja we mina nginamasu amaningi wemngani wami. Ungaphiki nami nginamasu amaningi uyobona wena. Hawu ithi inkawu awu unamasu amaningi abuze kuNogwaja wena mngani wami kawu unamasu amangaki? Ithi inkawu mina cha mngani wami anginawo amasu amaningi neswe lodwa nje. Hawu unelilodwa bo ziyokubulala izinja. Hayi bahambeke. Abaligwinyanga ozaqhamuka izinja ezilambile. Zabasukela kwawo ngaphansi babaleka uNogwaja nenkawu bakhipha ijubane impela lelo. Awu zathi izinja sikhona la ngumva zifuna inyama kaNogwaja nenyama yenkawu. Awu zabaleka. Babaleka. Babathe inkawu yasibona isihlahla yathi ha ngabe ngiyasinda yini? Yathi nwi 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 yagibela esihlahleni. Ithe nayisigibela esihlahleni ithe nwi yahlala. Awu Nkosi yami uNogwaja hayi zathathana nezinja. Abaleka uNogwaja baleke niyamazi uNogwaja ugijima ugxume ubuye ugijima ugxuma zala izinja. Yasimemezile inkawu esihlahleni nathi hawu mngani wami ungafi bo uthe unamasu amaningi mina sengilikhiphile lami sengithe nwini esihlahleni nawe khiphe elinye khipha isu phela elilodwa nje. Hayi suka lapha izinja uNogwaja alisaphumi isu elilodwa iqhinga noma isu. Zala izinja. Amemeza futhi inkawu athi awukhiphe nje lesibili-ke ngoba usuhlulekile kwelokuqala. Hayi zathathana. Wagijima uNogwaja wayamemeza inkawu esihlahleni yathi khipha-ke lesithathu lokugcina nje mngani wami-ke awusenalo uthe maningi amasu akho usungaze ukufe. Hawu zafika izinja zambamba uNogwaja zamdephuna. Yahlupheka inkawu umngani wayesediphunwe izinja yakhala inkawu ayisenamngani. Yaphela-ke indaba kanjalo. Kodwa-ke isifundo kule ndaba esokuthi-ke thina nasixoxa nabangani bethu noma nezihlobo zethu nabanye abantu singabozibeka phambili ngokuthi thina sinezinto ezinje kithi kunje kuthi akusizi lokho. Into onayo eyakho ngoba uyiphiwe umdali. Ibambisise uyisebenzise ngesikhathi esifaneleyo. Leyo nto iyokwenza ukuthi usinde ezintweni eziningi ube umuntu emhlabeni njengabanye abantu. uNkulunkulu akubusise ubusiseke nasekhaya abazali bakho. Kodwa na uqamba manga njengenkawu uthi unezinto azisakusebenzile akusekho neyodwa ekusebenzelayo. Bangani bami iphela lapho.